It's 5 AM, I've just got up and I'm heading to London to BMW Park Lane because I've been kindly invited down to go shoot the new M4 competition. Let's go. But I've just got to the train station. My train is in 10-15 minutes, something like that, so I'm just gonna go wait for it. So I've just got off the underground now and I'm walking to Park Lane. I'm going to go past the Dorchester Hotel, see what cars there is there. Literally got my maps up. I'm kind of familiar with the route, but yeah, I'll see when I get there. I thought I'd be able to see this. It's usually parked here. Performante that I saw a couple of years ago as well, looking very dusty. Yeah, just before we go into Park Lane, look at that, it's always here. Just pulled up to BMW Park Lane. There's a nice M4 competition to greet me with. I don't think that's the one that we're going to be shooting today, but yeah, this is who we're going out with. So yeah, I'm going to take you along, point of view on the photo shoot. So I was going to do the walk around on the GoPro, but I thought, why not just literally use the camera? So here is the car that we're going to be taking out today, the M4 competition. I'm not exactly sure on what colour this is, the exact name of it, but it's got the headlights with blue in them, all that carbon fibre. The interior looks, look at that. I don't know if you can see that too well. I'll show you it when we open the door, but literally it's fully kitted out with all the carbon fibre. Look at that. Yeah, that colour suits this perfectly. Let's have a look at the diffuser. I presume these are the sports exhausts. Special car. Just quickly switch the GoPro again because it's easier to do like a bit of a point of view. But yeah, that's the car behind. I've shown you a bit of a walk around on the camera, but yeah, just about to head out, just fueling up with a little apple. So yeah, the weather's really nice as well. Picked a good day for it, so I'm excited. Yeah, it's going to be nice. I'll show you some of the staff cars actually, because we'll have a look at a little preview. We've got another, well, sorry, not another, but an M3 competition here. I can't remember the name of the blue. You were saying it to me earlier. And then an M4. I've been told it is actually purple. Don't know how well it picks it up on camera, but it is the Heritage Edition M4. As you can see with the little stripe there. And then them seats are, oh yeah, look, on that seat, Heritage Edition. Yeah, this purple's really nice. It looked nice in the sun. Can't really see it too well in here. I think he was saying that there was like 4 colours or something that this came in. Yeah, look at that. But yeah, over here is the M440i, the convertible one, which we were supposed to be taking out. I'm not too sure whether it's been registered or not. They were putting some trade plates on it or something like that. But yeah, so that's literally just come out. I think that came out yesterday, which is mad. And it is Brooklyn Grey, the colour. I finally found out what it was called. So yeah, I'm just going to do a nice little cinematic. Baby, I'm a star, go and tell me where the camera is. I'm a bad bitch, you gotta be to handle this. Call my feet, baby, cause I always handle shit. I'm from Houston, Texas, baby, so we'll fall down the cell, yeah. Take a fish to dinner, yeah, I can be candlelit. I got things to do, then we'll be back at hating at school. I was in my name around, yeah, tell me what's that in the mess with 40, but no, these are fine. Yeah, no, these look good. So we've just pulled it out from the underground garage. I don't know how well you can hear that. It looks so good in the sun. It's a perfect day for it. We should have wore shorts though. The interior is pretty cool. There's the carbon fibre seats on this one, around the back. Show you. And I just tried to turn the music down on the steering wheel, but you can literally. How cool is that? day, and yeah, I'm excited to see some of the pictures and get this video done, because yeah, it's been a really special and quite different day, and I've really enjoyed it. So yeah, just finished here at BMW. I'm gonna have a look in the little showroom. I'll show you around some of the cars that are in here. So we just finished with a M4 competition. Yeah, let's have a look. So we've got the X5M competition here. First one of these I've seen in person actually. It's quite nice in black. I'll show you from the front. Look at that. The presence of these is mad. It's like them. And then we've got another M4 competition. I think it's Sapphire Black, this one's called. We've also got nice M5 here as well. Competition. Really like this colour. Yeah, I love these. Sports exhaust, M5 comp. But yeah, it's a nice lineup here at the Park Lane one. So yeah, that wraps it up. I'm going to have a little venture out and see what I can find on the streets before I get off home. So I'm just off now to find an Audi RS6 that I saw on the way past. Hopefully it's still there. But yeah, I'm off to go get a quick picture of that camera and then head off back to the underground to go get the train back home. Let's see if it's still there. Yeah, it is. Look at that. This is what I came to find without getting run over. Look at that. Audi RS6. Lucky one. But I mean, that looks incredible. Oh, look at that. Oh my god. Yeah, let's get some pictures quick.